Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. I hope you've had a great week and have some fun things planned for the weekend. My name is Kat. I am the flipper, and I have been a full-time reseller since 2022. And don't forget, my retreat is coming up in Orlando. I'm so excited. We are doing a retreat in just over 3.5 weeks. It's getting close. So if you live in the Florida area, especially in the Orlando area, you can come and just attend the classes and workshops and have some amazing food as well. Or if you are further away, we do still have a few rooms available, or you can get your own hotel and just pay for the classes. But I would love for you to join us here in a few weeks, and it is going to be a fun educational time. So high dollar sales, we didn't have as many over the last week. So I actually only have 12 that were over $50 for eBay, 3 that were over $50 for Poshmark, and none for Mercari. So I'm going to show you those 15 sales. These are items that you definitely want to pick up if you are outsourcing, and if you have them in your death pile, get them listed because they are selling right now. Again, all have sold out of my store in the last week. These are all over $50. I will tell you what they sold for, how long I had them, and I will tell you there are a couple in here that took years to sell. Always sunshine and rainbows. Some of them took a long time, and then others sold incredibly fast. So let's go ahead and take a look. We are going to start off with a few Poshmark sales. This one is a vintage Faz 925 sterling silver, X's and O's, hugs and kisses. It is sterling silver with gold vermeil, and this one sold for $60 in under a month, and the payout on this was $48. So I am keeping my price the same on Poshmark as well as eBay, but on eBay I'm doing free shipping. So on eBay, I would want $54 or higher. And on Poshmark, I have a little more wiggle room because they're still paying for shipping, even though the fees are 20%. So payout was $48. I paid $5. It is a $43 profit. I've done pretty well with Faz. I think it's actually a China brand. There you can see that 925. And it was, again, fast sale, under a month, and over a $40 profit. This is a teeny weeny tiny 1/2-inch charm that sold for $50. Payout was $40. I paid $5. $35 profit in 2 months. It is a vintage Nantucket sterling silver charm basket, 1/2 inch. So look up even the small pieces because some of them will surprise you. There you can see teeny weeny, just over 2 grams, and still sold for $50 pretty fast. This one was actually a pretty fast sale as well. This one was only listed for 2 months. It is a vintage antique velvet Victorian cabinet card. Really cool embossed dragonfly on this, and I will show you that through the pictures. This one sold for $95. Payout was $76. I paid $20 for this in an online auction, so it's a $56 profit. Pretty fast. I had another one of these, and it took a long time to sell. This one did not. So here you can see, look at the beautiful florals, and it was kind of cool. It's almost like a trapezoid shape. And here you can see it's patented December 17th, 89. That would be 1889 if you did not know. And really, really beautiful album. And here, I don't see, where was the dragonfly on the front and I was just blind? I swear there was a dragonfly. Is it on the front? I don't know. I put dragonfly. I think it was on some of the pages. I'm not seeing it though. Maybe I was seeing things. If you saw the dragonfly, let me know because I am not seeing it. Very fast sale on this one. This is a large dust bag, and this one sold for full price, $59.99, and under a month. And I think this was classified as a garment bag from Rod, so I paid $10 for it. So it's a $21 profit, but very, very fast. So watch for your dust bags. I feel like a broken record saying that, but these bags, a lot of them are just ones that people are given to bring their purchases home from the store. You can find them at bins, garage sales, estate sales. They are definitely out there, so keep an eye out. I might have underpriced this, but I'm not sure because maybe I just priced it and the right buyer found it. This is a vintage Rolex ring box, which I actually couldn't find anymore. So I just kind of was winging it with a price. So it sold for a best offer I sent out of $53.99. I paid about $10 for this box, but it's still a $25 profit and it sold just a week. Very, very fast. So empty boxes, whether they are little or big, they will sell. And I was actually surprised in this same lot, I got some Zales, the jewelry company, and those boxes actually sell pretty decent as well. And I would not have thought that until I got them and started researching. Real quick, since we are going over the financials, I wanted to touch base with you guys because we're about halfway through the year. And a few months ago, I spoke with you guys about Relay, which is an online banking platform. And I've heard back from a few of you that you absolutely love it. And just in case you missed it, I wanted to let you know about it again. And Relay is absolutely great. I love it because you don't have to go anywhere. You can open it completely online. And if you know, I live in the middle of nowhere. So I love the fact that I don't have to actually go into a branch. I can open it all online. And one of the things that appealed to me the most was that there are multiple logins. So I can give my accountant a login, I can give my employee a login, and then I have control over who gets to see what, who has access to what, and I don't have to give out my passwords, which is what I have done in the past. Now, one of the other big things with Relay is that it connects to QuickBooks, so you're always audit ready, which is a good thing. So if you have boxes and boxes of receipts, you will have them no more, and it will connect with QuickBooks, which is very, very convenient. So if you are looking for an online business banking platform, definitely check them out. I will pop a QR code up. You can scan that QR code and sign up for an account today. Get all of your finances in order. We're halfway through the year again, which is actually kind of crazy, but there is no time like now to start if you have not been tracking. And if you have been looking for a business banking platform, this is definitely a good one for you. So I hope you will head over to Relay, check out my link in the description, and that way they will know that I let you know about them and get a little bit of peace of mind. Don't make your financials a stressful situation. You want to be able to concentrate on the growth of your business, not be stressed out about your financials, and have it all together. So check it out, and let's go ahead and get back to the video. So you have something that sells in a week, and then you have this. This took 4 years to sell. It is a vintage, mid-century modern Murano green amber starburst in the amoeba shape. I don't know why it took so long. It sold for a 50% off offer of $52.49 that I sent out. I did pay $20 for this. So it is a $30 profit in 4 years. So this is something I would not pick up again unless I got it for like $5. Then I might consider it because I think that $50, $55 price point was probably where I should have been, but it was here for 4 years and that value goes up and down. And with so many items like I have, it is just not realistic to go through everything and stay up with the trends and are we priced low or are we priced high and things like that. Another fast sale, this sold in just 2 days for full price of $79.99. I did do free shipping, and shipping costs $15 on this. So you have to keep that in mind. Again, if you are doing a free shipping model, be sure you calculate that in. So this one I paid $10 for in an online estate lot, and it is a $30 profit, but in 2 days. So I am not going to complain about that. These are beautiful. This is another thing that I really thought would have sold higher, but I priced on the higher end with these. I did have the box, but some other people did as well. And I was surprised that this one sold so fast. This is a really pretty Silpata Dreamcatcher etched sterling silver pendant necklace. I did put chain and tassels. This one was listed for 6 months. It sold for $69.99. I paid $5 for this. It's a $48 profit in 6 months. Not too shabby. With the jewelry, I am totally fine waiting because it doesn't take up a ton of space. We have over 1,000 items on a small countertop. So if you are limited to room, I would definitely recommend doing jewelry because like this $50 profit in 6 months is not a bad deal. Here comes the jewelry. So this is a vintage sterling silver turquoise ring, size 9. I did put Native American and Old Pawn. This one sold for a best offer of 10% off and it sold for $89.99. I did pay about $25 for this one. It's close to a $40 profit after the fees, and that is doing free shipping. So not a bad profit. This is a beautiful piece of turquoise. I get a lot of turquoise jewelry, and this is one of the nicest colorations that I have seen. And great sale, again, under a month and a $40 profit. Some more Native American stuff. This is a vintage Zuni sterling silver Thunderbird. It is pendant only. I have started removing the necklaces from probably about 85% of my pendants. I'm just kind of stockpiling them because in my experience, having a sterling necklace doesn't increase the value very much. So this one sold for $89.99. It did take 4 months, so a little bit longer to sell. I paid close to $20 for this one. It is a $50 profit. This is a very, very small piece. Watch for the inlay, especially like this one has turquoise, onyx, coral, and mother of pearl. You can see it was not signed. We do test all of our pieces. We have started testing both signed and unsigned pieces. And this one was a great profit with 4 months to sell. And then you have ones like this. This one took 2 years to sell. I had it on a 50% off sale, and I actually accepted a lower offer. I accepted $100 for this one, and it is a St. John jacket. Do not confuse St. John with St. John's Bay. St. John is high-end clothing. This one was a size 6, and I did pay $20 for this, but it is still a $58 profit, even taking that lower price point. So with St. John, I think it's really about finding the right person to want the pieces. Some of my St. John pieces kind of fly off the shelf, so to speak. And then there are ones like this that take 2 years to sell. So if you're buying St. John, if you can't find that exact piece to get a sell-through rate, it's kind of hit or miss on whether it's going to be a fast sale or take a long time. This carved turquoise pendant was one of my favorite pieces that I found. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it is not Native American. It's actually made in Thailand, and it's 2.5 inches long, and it is a rose enhancer pendant. It was signed NF, and this one was listed for 6 months, sold for $104.99. I am only about $10 into this one, so it is a $70 profit. Beautiful, beautiful pendant. And again, made in Thailand. And you can see it was actually like the crushed turquoise put together. It wasn't like one hunk of turquoise. There is that NF Thailand. And so because it clamps on like this, that's why it's called an enhancer pendant. It can be clipped on to like the chip necklaces and different necklaces that it wouldn't be able to slide over. So if you have one of those veils that open and close, make sure to use the word enhancer as one of your keywords. It's all about the Native American apparently this week. This is a vintage Old Pawn Navajo tribal style ring. It did have a coral and tiger's eye. It was a size 8, and this one sold for $139.99. It was listed for 4 months. I paid $40 for this, but it is still an $80 profit. Those are definitely the ones you love. This one is a really, really cool statement piece, and it is absolutely. Do you see how long this is? Look at that on the ring sizer. Crazy. This ring was almost 4 inches long. Really, really cool piece. Again, 4 months to sell, but a really good profit. these really caught me off guard. So I got these from an online estate sale, and I only paid $20 for them. And when I comped them, I was like, holy crap. So this set is pretty rare and it sells very well. So make sure you keep an eye out. This is a 16-piece set. I did separate it into 2 different listings, and I only paid $20 for both of them. So really only $10 into this set. And it sold for $209.99 in 6 months. And it's $150 profit. $150 profit on some silverware. If you do not know, look at the silverware. Here you can see how cute Piglet is, Eeyore, Pooh. They are all there. And Tigger too. So great pair. You can see it's Disney. It is stainless steel. These are not sterling silver, and an amazing profit, and something to definitely keep an eye out on is silverware. This little Bambi is my highest selling item of the week, and it's not little. It was 27 inches. It was very heavy. It is a mid-century modern Hollywood Regency brass deer sculpture. I had this on a 50% off sale from $489. The buyer actually sent me a $145 offer, and I said, no, I'm sorry. I've already got it half off, which is $245. I cannot do $145. And they said, okay, let me know if you get to that. I said, I'm not going to get to that. I'm not going to accept that low. And they ended up, I think it was probably about a week, they came back and bought it. So they purchased it for $244.65 on the sale price, and they did pay shipping. Now, I will tell you, the shipping on this was over $100, and they paid $150. But after the fees I pay on that $100, I am not making anything off of that shipping. So I originally paid about $100 for this. So at that $145, I would have lost money. Instead, I made $100 profit. Now, it did take years to sell, so keep that in mind. I had 2. I'm not sure if the other one's still back there. I'll have to go look. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very big, heavy sculpture. Again, cost $100 to ship. I charge the buyer $150. I'm paying $120 with the fees eBay's charging. And then with the box and the time, it is pretty net even. And I think I did a video on brass stuff. Definitely, I'll pop it up top if I did one on brass, because brass stuff can be valuable. But like this one sat here for years. So if you don't have a lot of space, I wouldn't recommend picking up bigger brass items like this one. All right, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget, check out the retreat. You can come join us virtually as well. You don't have to come in person, and that starts at just $29.99. Check out my jewelry displays over on my Shopify. This is, and I don't put the jewelry stands like this on my Shopify. I just put the display stands. These I sell on my Whatnot sales. So I have a jewelry show. I've been doing jewelry Wednesdays and Fridays. If you'd like to come join me, I would love to see you there. I really appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Sunday.